So I just want to quickly take you guys through the old logo design process using shapes and the fonts. So this tutorial is going to be for beginners. I know as you guys are watching, you'll be able to understand the design process. So for this, I got the fonts from dafonts.com. Let's change it to white so that we can see what we're about to do. This is a very simple logo that I just came up with, and I guess I'm going to be using it for rebranding the channel. Let's just rescale it to a meaningful size so it's not so small. Okay, I think it's okay. So what we'll now do is duplicate our O by pressing Ctrl J. So I think it's too big. Let's highlight both and resize it to a meaningful size. I think it's perfect like this. So why don't we take the O down a bit? Okay, it's okay like this. So okay, our H now, just shift it to your right hand side. Now we're going to take the shape and put in our box. Let's make it green, and that's just how we actually came up with the O logo brand idea. So that's basically it. So we can go ahead and write our O logo, change it to black so that we can see what we're writing on white. O L-O-G-O. Let's bring it down a bit. So guys, that's basically it. If you're watching this channel for the first time, kindly help us hit that subscribe button. You turn on the bell notification icon so that anytime that I upload a brand new video, you'll be the first to see it. So that's just basically how we came up with the old logo idea. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Have a nice day, and don't forget to help us share this video as many times as possible so that your friends and family can actually benefit from it. So that is all for this tutorial, guys.